Today in my first piano adventures, we're working on Jungle Wedding, which is your first arm crossing song. We're going to be playing on firm fingertips and using cat backs to move all the way up the piano. Things are getting pretty fancy. But before we do all of that, I want to do a quick review on where is C and where is F. The book has a wonderful illustration here for Jungle Wedding. It says the two black keys help you find C, and lo and behold, two black keys, there's C. And it says the three black keys help you find F. Three black keys, there's F. So let's do a little thing with this. Let's start with C. So two black keys, here's C. Two black keys, here's C. I want you to see if you can find 7 C's on the piano and play them all. And now we're going to see if we can find 7 F's, but let's take a moment to refresh. 3 black keys, there's F. 3 black keys, there's F. 3 black keys, there's F. Now let's find them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do our setup for Jungle Wedding. We're going to use our finger 3s braced with our thumbs. Left hand starts on the lowest C. Right hand starts on the lowest F. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. C, F, 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 2, 3, 4, C, 2, F, 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 2, 3, 4. Who is the groom? That big baboon. C, 2, F, 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 2. Keep going. C, 2, F, 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 2, 3, 4. Last one. F, F, F. Your first hand crossing song. You did it.